amazing entrance to start.
Dari channel SKYRUN'S Malaysia. Semoga Ika bener deh ya sebutnya, soalnya Ika taunya itu. Dan sebaiknya kalian tuh harus subscribe channel itu, karena apa? Di channel itu bener-bener banyak banget video-video tentang Kuala Lumpur. Oke.
Cinematic experience. Skyrun. Are you ready?
A visual presentation. SKYRUN.
A visual presentation.
Yo, gimana kabar kalian semua? Semoga sehat selalu, semoga yang di rumah aja bahagia selalu, sama seperti tagline aku, good day. SKYRUN.
Best with headphone. Visual presentation. Dolby, kayak nonton bioskop coy.
With headphone. Yes, I'm wearing headphones. Wow, just like in the cinema.
Oh, best with headphones. We are wearing our headphones right now. It's a visual presentation from SKYRUN. I love this channel, guys.
Headphone. Sorry, but still.
Cinematic visual experience. SKYRUN.
Oh,